what's up? Hello! What was that? Hello everyone! It's been a hot minute. Long story short, I lost my camera battery for my charger. Got lazy, procrastinated to get a new one, finally got a new one, and here we are. So it is time to go back to school. Who's excited? Not me. I don't know about you guys, but I hate putting effort into how I look when I'm going to school. Like, I'm going to hell for 6 hours. Like, what makes you think I'm going to try to look good? But then I also feel like I still need to look good for whatever reason. I don't know why. So I forgot what I was gonna say. I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy makeup look that you guys can wear for school without putting too much effort in, but still looking like you put effort in, if you know what I'm saying. Alright, so the first thing I do is moisturize. So I'm going to be taking my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. I'm just going to put this onto my face. This moisturizer smells really good, and it also feels super cold when you put it on your face, so it will wake you up in the morning. Now that my face is all moisturized, I'm going to move on to the face. Well, we are working on the face. I'm stupid. Anyways, when it comes to foundation, I don't like wearing anything heavy on my face, so sometimes I'll just wear concealer where I need it, and that's about it. But I always like it when my skin tone looks even, so instead of wearing foundation, I'll wear a CC cream or a BB cream because it gives that same foundation effect, but it's not as heavy. I like to use the It Cosmetics CC cream. It's super light on your face, but it also looks like foundation, and that's what I like. I'm just going to dot this onto my face, and by the way, I know this is too, not light, too dark, as you can tell, but it's fine. It'll make me look more tan. Now I'm just going to take my sponge and blend this in. I know I kind of look like peanut butter baby right now. We're going to blend it in, and hopefully I'll look good because don't look too hot right now. Okay, after 10 minutes of blending, hopefully this looks natural. Now moving on to concealer. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. We gotta cover those bags because we will be only getting about 3 hours of sleep. I hate wearing eyeshadow to school, so instead I will just put concealer on my eyelids to brighten them up. Oh, you guys, fun fact, my sister got engaged. My older one, not my younger one. But it's okay though, because he will never replace me. I'll always be her favorite. It's good. Okay, now I'm going to set my face, and I'm going to be using the Coty Airspun powder, and instead of using a brush, I'm just going to use my sponge to put it on my face because I'm lazy. I don't have time to bake in the mornings or ever, so instead I will just put the powder under my eyes with the sponge so it sets and doesn't crease or anything. My eyelids always crease, so I will put a heck ton of powder on my eyes. And to set on my face, I'm going to take the flat part of the sponge, dip it into the powder like so, and I'm just going to go like this onto my face. Don't worry, we're gonna blend it, and I will just blend it all into my face and make sure it's all set. Now moving on to blush. If you do not want to put on blush, you totally do not have to. I'm just so freaking white. I need some color on my face. So I'm going to be taking my Milani blush in the color 08 Tea Rose Rose Thee. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I cracked my blush. How did that happen? Well, whatever. It was cheap anyways. Even if you're pale like me and don't feel like wearing blush, girl, I get it. Sometimes I don't even wear blush. Make that half the time. I want my skin to be glowing and light up the whole school when I walk into school on the first day of school. I just said school so many times, I apologize. So I'm going to plop on some highlighter, and I'm using the Benefit Dandelion Twinkle Highlighter. Oof. Look at that. Now I'm going to put on mascara, and yes, I got my eyelash extensions off, so if you were thinking I looked more ugly than usual, you were right. I'm going to be taking the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara, but first I'm going to curl my eyelashes because if I don't, you won't even be able to see them. Without my eyelash extensions, I literally look two. Like, you don't even have to fight me on it. I literally forgot how much I hated mascara until I had to put it on again. Last but not least, we have lips, and I hate wearing lipstick to school, so I'm just going to be using my Burt's Bees chapstick because it's amazing. Alright guys, and there you have it. There is that super quick and easy makeup look for back to school. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big, fat, huge, amazing, fabulous thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I don't blame you, but you know, you should subscribe. So if you want to become a part of the Lovely fam, all you have to do is hit that button down below, and you will become a part of the Lovely fam. It's that easy. If you want to keep up with me and what I am doing, make sure to follow me on all my social medias. They are all down below in the description box. Alright guys, I love you so very much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.
Oh, would you be so kind as to fall in love with me? You see, I'm trying. I know you know